This is what a ceasefire looks like in Syria. This video from a humanitarian group aligned with Syrian rebels purportedly shows the aftermath of government bombing in the province of Homs. Reuters news agency said it was confident the video uploaded on January 22nd was authentic. On January 23rd and 24th, diplomats from Russia, Iran, and Turkey joined talks in Kazakhstan's capital with Syrian government representatives and rebel groups. The goal? To get Syria's warring factions to agree to at least the framework of a peace plan. But the talks in Astana ended on January 24th with only a vague commitment from the three foreign powers to find a way to monitor the fragile ceasefire they brokered in late December. The host of the talks, Kazakh Foreign Minister Kairat Abdrakhmanov, read out the statement.
The delegations of the Islamic Republic of Iran, the Russian Federation and the Republic of Turkey decide to establish a trilateral mechanism to observe and ensure full compliance with the ceasefire, prevent any provocations, and determine all modalities of the ceasefire.
It was not immediately clear how such a mechanism would be implemented. A spokesman for the Syrian opposition delegation said the rebels had significant objections.
نحن لسنا طرف في هذا البيان، هو اتفاق بين تركيا وإيران وروسيا. هم دول ذات سيادة يستطيعون عقد الاتفاقيات التي يريدون، هذا بيان بينهم، لكن نحن من جهتنا عندما قيل بأن البيان سيسوق على أنه بيان ختامي، قلنا أن لدينا العديد من التحفظات. هذه التحفظات أهمها وعلى رأسها هو أن إيران أن تقدم على أنها طرف ضامن.
The talks did not include Islamic State militants or an al-Qaeda splinter group. Some 300,000 people are believed to have been killed since the Syrian civil war started in 2011. Millions of others have been displaced.